Next is failure of classical free electron theory, that is also called as Drude-Lorentz theory, was successful in explaining the conductivity of metals. It had many failures. Among them, following two failures may be considered. Okay, so many failures are there, but there is considered two failures only. That is, first failure is temperature dependence of electrical conductivity. So temperature dependence of electrical conductivity is first failure. How it is failed? There is considered, we know that the conductivity of a metal conductivity is inversely proportional to temperature. It is experimental conductivity for a metal conductivity is inversely proportional to 1 by T. But following the Drude-Lorentz theory, the theoretical conductivity is inversely proportional to 1 by root to T. Observe here root 1 by T, here 1 by root of T. There is lot of changes. Okay, put some value, give to the equation. There is, it have some another value, it also have some another value, so both are different. It is not a match. It is experimental conductivity, it is theoretical conductivity, both are different, so which is not a correct. So it is a failed one of the classical free electron theory. Okay, this is derivation is not necessary in exam point of view. And second failure is electrical conductivity and electron concentration. Conductivity is represented by sigma and electron concentration represented by N. Conductivity directly proportional to N. That means what? That is, as conductivity increases, electron concentration will be decreased. Okay, that is directly proportionally represents. So for example, the value of N for zinc and aluminium electron concentration value is 13.10 into 10 power 28 per meter cube and 18.06 into 10 power 28 per meter cube respectively. This is zinc and aluminium electron concentration. But we know these two metal are comparatively less conductivity than copper and silver. Compared to this, conductivity of copper and silver is less compared to zinc and aluminium electron concentration. Okay, here it indicate the conductivity is low. Okay, conductivity is high and electron concentration is low. Okay, and have values 8.45 into 10 power 28 per meter cube and 5.85 to 10 power 28 per meter cube. See, observe here 13.10, 8.45, this value less than electron concentration, this value is less than electron concentration for aluminium. So here it indicates that is electron concentration is high, conductivity is low. That is, it is indicate is a directly proportional. So that it is also another significant failure of classical free electron theory. Okay, these two failures are important. It's enough. Explanation, it's enough. That is experimental conductivity, theoretical conductivity, both are different, which is not a correct, so it is failed. Okay, same here, conductivity directly proportional to N. ಇದರರ್ಥ one quantity ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, one quantity ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಇದರರ್ಥ ಏನು, ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಥಿಯರಿ.